first I'm going to marinate the paneer pieces. I've taken 400 grams of paneer, cut it into large cubes. For the marinade, I've taken 3 tablespoons of curd. Next, add 2 heaped teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Make sure the paneer pieces are coated nicely with the marinade. Now let this sit for about 10 minutes. I've taken a nice big tawa. If you don't have a big tawa, you can just use a non-stick pan. To this, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 large onion, finely chopped. Next, add 3 green chilies chopped. Once the onions are nice and brown, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, add 3 tomatoes chopped. You can see the tomatoes have become nice and mushy. Next, I'm going to add the capsicum pieces. I've taken 1 large capsicum and cut into large pieces. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt. Mix everything. Next, I'm going to add just a little water to get the masala going. Cook the masala for about 10 minutes till the raw smell goes and the oil starts to separate. Now I'm going to add the marinated paneer pieces. So for tawa paneer, if you see, I've taken large cubes of paneer. So make sure you cut them a little bigger. So while mixing, they don't break too easily. Cook the paneer for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame, just to make sure it's all well combined with the masala. So you can see it's beautifully combined with the masala. So keep the flame on low and continue to cook. So you can see the paneer is cooked for about 5 minutes. I'm going to finish off by adding a little KASURI methi and a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Enjoy and serve the tawa paneer nice and hot. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Fry the paneer pieces till you get a lovely golden brown color. Keep the flame on medium and fry on both sides. So you can see the paneer has got a lovely golden brown color to it. So the reason we are frying the paneer is to retain the shape for the pulao. We're going to make the pulao in the pressure cooker. I've taken 2 whole teaspoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add all the whole spices, starting with a piece of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, a few peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds. To this, I'm going to add 2 small onions, thinly sliced, 4 green chilies. Once the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color, I'm going to add half cup of chopped carrots, half cup of chopped beans, half cup of peas, to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Next, add finely chopped coriander leaves, some fresh mint leaves, Next, add the fried paneer pieces. I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice, washed it, soaked it for about 30 minutes. To this, add 2 cups of water. Pressure cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. The paneer pulao is ready. Serve it hot with raita. Take a kadai, pour 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm going to add 2 large onions, roughly chopped. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Add about 10 red chilies. Add 3 large tomatoes, roughly chopped. 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook it till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Turn off the stove. Cool the mixture. Transfer the cooled mixture into a mixer jar. Grind it in a mixer jar to a nice fine paste. To the same kadai, add 3 teaspoons of ghee. To this, add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it a quick mix. Keep the flame on medium. You don't want to get the chili powder to get burnt. Now add the ground tomato, onion and cashew paste. I've added a little water to the mixer jar to remove all the excess masala paste that's stuck to the jar. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. I'm adding a few Kasuri methi leaves, just crush them, and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Close and cook for about 10 minutes on low flame. To make the gravy much richer and creamier, I'm going to grind 50 grams of KHOA, 3 tablespoons of milk, and grind it to a nice fine paste. You can also substitute this mixture of KHOA and milk with condensed milk. If you don't have either of these, you can add a teaspoon of sugar to give you that light sweetness and to balance the flavors of the masala. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Add the ground KHOA milk mixture. Since I've used unsweetened KHOA, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. You can skip adding sugar if your KHOA is sweet. Mix everything together. Add 1/4 cup of water. Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 300 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. Close and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. So there you go. Here is this delicious, rich and creamy paneer butter masala. It looks absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to get a bite of that. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.